Tired of missing out on the next Dogecoin or Shiba Inu? This guide unveils the secrets to spotting and securing meme coins before they explode. First, become a social media sleuth. Twitter and Reddit are your treasure map. Search for trending hashtags, follow crypto influencers, and dive into relevant subreddits like r Memecoins or r Cryptocurrency to sniff out early buzz. Next, master the art of DEX screening. Decentralized exchanges like Uniswap and PancakeSwap are where new meme coins first appear. Use DEX screeners, tools that track new listings in real time, to be among the first to identify emerging coins. DEX tools and Memecoin are popular options. Now, a word of caution: early meme coin investing is like navigating a minefield. Expect extreme volatility, and the risk of rug pulls is very real. That's where the project team disappears. With investor funds, only invest what you can afford to lose, and never FOMO. Before you buy, conduct rigorous due diligence. Scrutinize the tokenomics. Is the supply capped? Is there a disproportionate amount of tokens held by a few wallets? Verify the legitimacy of the project and its team. Red flags here can save you a lot of pain. Also, gauge community sentiment. Is the community active and engaged, or is it filled with bots and shills? A strong, organic community is a good indicator of a coin's potential longevity. Remember, early meme coin investing is highly speculative. There are no guarantees. Approach it with caution, manage your risk responsibly, and happy hunting. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto guides.